One of the exciting things about the advanced manufacturing field, especially for our students, is there are several job openings for them and they're high paying. So once they graduate from us, they are almost guaranteed to be placed in a long-lasting career. My name is Molly Joseph, and I am the Dean of the School of Advanced Manufacturing, Engineering, and Applied Science. What really caused the boom in demand for advanced manufacturing workers, especially in Terre Haute and also statewide, is that currently manufacturers are skilling up and becoming more automated, and also we're having a big wave of retirees coming up here soon. And so that has really been the two big driving factors. It's all about the partnerships. And that would be Ivy Tech partnering with our local industry. And so our local industry can participate with us by joining our advisory board, providing internships or apprenticeships for our students. And what that allows is for them to help shape our curriculum, but also get introduced to our students early on. So hopefully then they can provide them with full-time positions once they graduate from Ivy Tech. An example of an industry partnership that we have is GE Aerospace. And just this year, GE Aerospace provided us a gift that helps support our local area need for providing more skilled advanced manufacturing workers. Some of the benefits that have come from the GE Aerospace gift is we are able to provide short-term training to our local industry. One is for PLCs, which stands for Programmable Logic Controllers. The other short-term training is allowing us to provide onboarding in advanced manufacturing. Really, it's being a lifelong learner. I mean, that's truly the key to it. And so with those workers, they can come to Ivy Tech and they can participate in short-term training. But along with that is also, partnering with their company to aid in like tuition assistance and also get some on-the-job training too. Roles that are available to our students would be like CNC machinist. They could be within industrial maintenance, automation, robotics technicians, and even quality control. All those positions are in high demand and they offer competitive wages for our students.